Solution of this question. This is electric field, that is two plates, one is positively charged and other is negatively charged. Direction of electric field is positive to negative, and electron falls through it. Okay, distance is 1.5 centimeter. So when electron falls in field, it will experience a force that is equal to F equal to E into E, where E charge on electron and E electric field, capital E. Now due to this, acceleration produced, that will be equal to force upon mass, E upon M. Now it falls freely. Therefore U equal to 0, H 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now according to equation of motion, applying equation of motion, H equal to ut plus half at square. So H equal to u0, so we will get half. In place of a, we can write E upon m t square. So t equal to under root 2 m h upon E. Place the value, under root 2 into mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into H 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 into 2 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay, so we get 2.9 into 10 raised to power minus 9 second. Now second case, we just reverse the direction of electric field. Reverse the direction of electric field. Now this plate is positive and this one is negative. Now direction of electric field, positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field. Proton falls in this now. So the because it is free fall, again for time t equal to under root 2. Now mass of proton H upon E into E. Place the value. 2 into mass of proton, that is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into H, again 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 into 2 into 10 raised to power 4. When we calculate this, then we get the answer 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So we get the answer 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 second. So this is 2.9 into 10 raised to power minus 9, and time taken by electron will be less than time taken by time taken by electron will be more than the time taken by proton.